Vad fan? Så, jag springer där, ser du?
Kan någon hjälpa mig? Kan du hjälpa mig?
In December 2025, Swedish prosecutors reviewed the investigation into the assassination of Olof Palme. They concluded that the evidence against the main suspects was still not strong enough to prove anything and that the case will not be reopened. That means after nearly 40 years, we still don't know who killed Sweden's prime minister. Even if the case is officially closed, the story isn't. That's the reason why I am here today making this video and this stormy weather to walk through the places where it all happened. Stay tuned. This looks like just another busy street in Stockholm. Cars, buses, people going about their day. But the horrible story just happened right at this place, at this spot. I am standing right here. Olof Palme was Sweden's prime minister, a well-known and controversial political figure, both admired and criticized. Late at night on February 28, 1986, this is where Olof Palme was shot while walking from the cinema with his wife. That's the cinema, Grand Cinema, where Prime Minister Olof Palme and his wife were seeing a movie at this cinema, and then they walked home from there and then got shot. I mean, which movie are they watching? And like, could it be from the ones who were seeing the movie together with them? Because they would know, right? Or the mother was just, yeah, I mean, I don't think it would make sense because in that case, the wife would notice someone was following them. Or maybe the one from the cinema was communicating, hey, the movie is done, you know. I don't think my clues are that solid. A little bit shallow. I don't think I can never be work at the Swedish police force. But anyway, that's the cinema. As you may be aware, I myself is clueless here about the case. So please ignore any murder theories I might bring up. Let's move on. Play.
Snow.
Oh, snow.
No, this, please.
Police?
What?
You don't look like police.
Huh? Just kidding. We are from the snow company.
Oh, okay. I'm blogging about this, like, Olof Palme.
Subscriber?
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Olof Palme.
Yeah.
You know Olof Palme?
Rest in peace.
Do you know?
Yes, he was shot here.
Okay. Can you tell a little bit about it?
No, I don't know so much.
You don't know so much. Me neither. Whatever you know of. Just your opinion or whatever. Yeah.
You know, our Prime Minister Olof Palme
Yeah.
was shot down there.
Yeah.
There is a little place you can put flowers, and people do.
Yeah.
And it was it was Christ for us
Yeah,
here in
very
Sweden,
sad.
very sad day.
It's,
Yeah.
And we don't now even know who did it and why.
Yeah.
There has been a lot of different
Rumors.
theories and rumors and
it was the
Government.
yeah, it was the government. The police, yes.
That's what you think.
No,
I think
that
nothing.
is
Nothing.
I think
that's
Because-
the truth.
but it's
But
very
they
sad.
say the government say it's Skandiamannen eller Christer Pettersson, but it's
Yeah.
not true.
No, because I read recently in December 2025, the government prosecutor started revisiting the case, and then they said the evidence was not enough, and then they said they still don't know who, but they're not gonna reopen the case.
Stop!
Oh. Oh my God. What is happening here?
This is not such.
This is the place.
It's very complex. I don't know why they are doing this.
Yeah.
Because,
Vi jobbar med det här.
but when you have this,
Yeah, but it's so cold.
you
We're standing here
scare
like...
people.
No, I don't
Yeah. At first I thought they were doing something I don't know, with this.
What's going on here?
No, not in
But-
Standing outside 9 hours and we have spurred off.
Yeah.
And then you see here, our people is up there and shoveling down the snow.
Oh yeah,
need to
so
be
you're
consequent.
the snow people. And
Yeah, we are security here.
okay.
So the people.
In case the Okay, but so
Scare people when they don't show their face.
do you have any like idea, like your own opinion?
No, I
who
don't.
did? You
I
don't.
I just think it's very, very sad
Yeah.
for all the people, the Swedish people
Yeah.
that we don't know.
Yeah.
Because if you know, you can, okay, it was like that.
Yeah.
And it's very bad for our feelings about this that we don't know.
Yeah, I mean, just because it's like it happened like 40 years ago.
Yes.
A little bit we can like have a light feeling, but it's still like very like mysterious.
It's a
and
wound that
yeah.
can't heal.
Because like now it's snowing a lot, so they don't allow us to use the other side because it's quite slippery. Maybe this is where the murder ran away and disappeared through these stairs. So it's pretty crazy to be walking up these stairs right now. It's quite beautiful area on a normal day. I mean, you can get so many pictures and come here, and even in the snow, you know. The street name was originally Tunnelgatan, and near the stairs, the name hasn't changed yet, but you can see like all the way here is named as Olof Palmes Gata, not because the case was solved, but because it has never ended. The case has never ended, even though the police is not gonna reopen the case. So it's like in remembrance of this memory of this horrible story of the killing of Olof Palme, and the street was named after him. So you will always remember whenever you walk around this area. Now if you look at the area right now, people are just out and about, and you know, just like a normal street. But this happened. People will never forget about it. This building is Sveavägen 44. Stig Armstrong walked here. He was later named as a suspect, and it's just steps from the crime scene. Over time, that closeness became one of the many unanswered questions in this case. As far as I'm concerned, there are a lot of people who wanted to come forward and say that they committed that crime, but then that was not true. More than 100 people who come forward and claim that they were the murderer. And even this like Stig Armstrong, they even have this Netflix Swedish documentary. He was identified as the murderer, but he was not the one. And before that, I think the Prime Minister's wife, Mrs. Palme, she identified a person who is like a drug addict and a criminal, and didn't have enough evidence against that person as well. Hukamaladu. Hukamaladu. How old are you? Nee. So yes, I guess that's about this vlog. I am in this very cool tunnel just right next to the stairs I just filmed earlier. Like this man who was playing in the tunnel right now. Yeah, it's pretty strange that everything looks so ordinary, and this incident, like very terrible story, happened around this area. Now everything looks quite normal and very beautiful with the snow right now. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and let me know what your thoughts on the case, and if you have any opinion about what happened or why you think the story still stays with the people even after 40 years of the incident. I will see you guys next time in the next vlog. Bye.